What's good, YouTube? About to give a review on the Ryobi 3200 PSI 2.3 gallons per minute 5-in-1 nozzle. It's the Kohler engine. Got our soap in there. See how this thing work. This is the nozzle. That's how you put your soap out. This car is pretty dirty. So I'm gonna give it a try. Washing the car. Maybe get a little bit of the cement right here. Just to see if we can do that. And I'll be back. Alright, right here I'm pressure washing the car. It didn't get everything off, so I had to get the scrub brush, start scrubbing a little bit. You know, I ain't washed the car in a while. But for the most part, I think it did a decent job. I'm really used to using the DeWalt pressure washer. It be throwing my arm up, but this is something, you know, DIY for the regular homeowner. 3200. I think the original price go for about $400 and something dollars, okay. But I got it for a decent price. It worked pretty good. See, I only paid $199 for it at one of them spots that be selling all that used stuff, box stuff that's returned. It's looking pretty good. It's a little test run on the machine. First time using it. I think it's pretty good for $200. I'll have to pull this in the garage. Hit this black one. Let's go. Alright, time to get that out the way. Alright, now I got the go-kart out the way. I ran out of gas, so this part right here, I don't know what was going on. It was like, it wasn't full pressure once I turned the water off to put the gas on. It was spraying a little funny to me at first. I had to keep playing with it. That's one thing I didn't like about it. You can see it's kind of spraying like a little funny. I think I had it on 40 degrees angle. Alright, right here, it also came with this too right here. This helped out a lot because without this, ain't no way I could have did this whole driveway. Ain't no way. I had some type of degreaser, I forgot the name of it. I just had some stuff laying around in the garage. Look at that corner. That corner filthy. The whole driveway was filthy. I've been at this house for about 10 years. My first time cleaning it. I have to tell you, that thing being so small really hurt your back. So I'll have to invest in a bigger one eventually if I really want to get into pressure washing. But this is just something light to do stuff around the house. But for a review, I guess it's a good purchase. I got it for $200. Alright, I'm finished now. Driveway. Let's clean the mailbox too. Forget the front. Okay, my overall review on the Ryobi 32 PSI is a decent pressure washer for the price that I got it for. If I had to spend the $450 something, I don't think I'll be that happy with my purchase. I'd rather go with a DeWalt, something way more stronger than that, and pay the extra $200 or whatever it is. But for the most part, for the $200 that I paid, I think it's decent. And there's a lot more stuff I can get done. It wasn't too strong that it ripped the paint off. Look at that gold car, that Chrysler 300. That's an '05 still looking like gold, baby. Yeah, but I appreciate everybody for watching. If you got any questions or anything like that, drop a comment. I'll get back to you. It's D&D's Home Improvement. My name is Perions, and I'm out. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.